Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make some honey oat loaf, and these are the ingredients that I'll be using. I have flour and rolled oats. It's 1.5 cup of rolled oats. You can always find the ingredients in the description box below. I have some salt and some vital wheat gluten here because I'm going to be baking with whole wheat and oats. I want the vital wheat gluten to give the bread the suppleness. I have some oil, honey and yeast, and also we'll be requiring some hot lukewarm water. So let's get started with the process. Okay guys, so this is the inside of my bread machine, and I have gone ahead and added my water, lukewarm water and honey in there. That's my liquid ingredient, and I'm gonna next add my oil, and then I'm gonna start adding all my dry ingredients, which will be my vital wheat gluten and my salt. I'm gonna add that, followed by my whole wheat flour and the oats that I have right here. So I'm gonna finally I'm going to add my yeast, and I'm gonna put this inside the bread machine and start it. I'm going to just select the loaf size, which will be like 1.5 pounds, and I'm gonna start it. Okay guys, so our dough has gone through the first kneading cycle, and this is how it looks. You can see there's a beautiful dough formed right in the middle of the bucket, and this is what you want. Every time you're making bread, you should see this kind of a dough formed. I encourage you to add few drops of water so that it will help everything to come together. If it is too runny, then you can add a few tablespoons of dry flour so that everything will come together and it will form this kind of a dough. So I'm just going to close this, and we'll come back and see what happens. Okay guys, our bread is now in the very last stage of baking, and let's take a look there. And it's gonna bake for another 50 minutes. And let's come back and check. So here it is guys, our final product, our lovely loaf of honey oat, and it's still hot, so I'm gonna wait before I slice it. This particular bread, because of the oats and the whole wheat, it's a bit denser than your white bread or even your whole wheat bread. It's a bit denser, but when you slice it, it's really spongy. You can see insides are really good, and it has that really nutty flavor from the oats and that honey. Everything just adds up to make a really rich and yummy bread. So I'll show you when I cut it out. Once it cools down, I'll show you how it looks. So here it is guys, our final product, our bread. It's really soft, as you can see. It's perfect for making sandwiches, and I sliced it half loaf. I have left it just whole. I'm gonna store it in this box, and I'll see if we're not gonna finish it, I'll slice it and I'll freeze it, because that way it stays fresh longer. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want more fun videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and visit my page on Facebook and like it, and see you guys soon in another video. Until then, bye.